So, my sister has a diorama. I don't really have that much space to work with. Right now, the house is just sitting on the ledge of the windowsill. And I kind of like it like that. It's very pretty to look up in the morning, and it's like, okay, the little house, and then I have the big trees that are outside as the background. But I do want to do a little snow scene. So I did just go see my sister, and she does have this plank of wood. I think she got it from Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure she got this from Dollar Tree. And I think she also got this from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask, but she has this. So this is actually going to become sidewalk pavement on the side of the road. Maybe even also, actually, either this becomes sidewalk pavement or this becomes drive-through pavement. I'm not sure how I want to have this. Okay, so here we have the house. I do mean today to Velcro probably the back. I don't know how I'm going to have the little packet covering. I don't know how that's going to work yet, if at all. But, and then here we have the plank of wood. The plank of wood is actually about the same, almost the same width. If I put it flush against the back, which I don't think I would, I think I want to give some space for the thing. It's going to hang a bit more over the windowsill. Again, kind of fine. But I told myself I wanted my thing to be that I can remove this whenever, and this can be like an interchangeable thing. Like I can have a winter scene, I can have a spring scene or something. Or if I don't do that, if I just have this, I don't think I'm gonna, any sense, glue this or affix it. Maybe if I did it with Velcro, but that still seems too permanent. Maybe even. I think ideally I would like to have this not square on, because then I would have space for the sidewalk, space for some trees or whatever even. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to see. All right, so, as an aside, I was gonna show the back to be like contrast. I forgot I did this. Let's just show. So initially I only meant to do this little strip here, right? Because I wanted to do a little strip of dirt and then kind of like a paver sidewalk, right? You know how when you have the pavement where it's just big blocks of concrete? And the idea is that, maybe a paver sidewalk is not the idea, because sidewalks and pavers were kind of like a cobblestone almost, right? Anyway, the point is, essentially this is going to be the walkway, and then we're just going to have, the dirt, and then maybe this will be like the arable land. So, I don't know if I should glue this down, maybe just get different pieces for different seasons, or just have this be like the background piece, and then always just reorganize things. So let's see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I do have outlined where I'm gonna put it, and in fact, this initially was double-sided taped onto whatever I had it on last year. I have put pieces of Velcro, and I'm going to Velcro it on the back. In terms of the cover, I don't know yet what the cover is gonna be, but it is gonna jut out a bit from the thing, so I will have to factor that in. But I wanna, it's time. Christmas is now 11 days away. Christmas Eve 10. Generally, we've been in the season already, right? So I want to be using this. I don't want to be waiting to put it into regular use, because I don't know if I want to put the wood in. At this point, I don't think I'm going to put the piece of wood in. If I do, it'll be relatively easy regardless to just take out the strings and drill the hole and put the strings back in. So I'm not really sure I've been waiting. So, I'm going to probably keep squishing it. But I think it's good enough to stand on its own anyway. Now we're just going to, I do want to put one of the lid covers, at least hide this. I have some mirror tile. I might put mirror tile on the inside of the lid cover, but then it's going to be a hassle. Anyway, we'll have to figure it out. So, they do have different mirror LED packs. They have the ones that just slide off. This is one that you have a screw in. So I will have to literally screw out the lights, but that's fine. It makes it more fun in that tedium. So this will be on the windowsill where it's been now, but I do want to decorate the exterior. So